Righto, so g'day again. We're installing ML Sound Labs, the amp plugins on Linux. Pretty good value, especially if you get them on the deals that he just had. I own a few of them, but it'll just show you how to install them and that they do work on Linux. So we're just going to try the flagship version. Just go to the site, go to the checkout, get the free one, go through all your downloads and stuff. So then when you've downloaded it, just open it up. Now we're using Wine Staging version 9.21 if you're familiar with Yarbridge. So just extract it. You don't need the terminal or anything. You can do everything just with the click of the buttons and the GUI. So we've got the folder. Now you get the 32-bit or the 64-bit version. I'm using a 64-bit Wine prefix, so I'll use that. So we'll open that up with the Wine Windows program loader, and it just goes through your standard install. Just look at the folders and everything where they're going to install it. Pretty basic stuff. Sign your live away. So it'll make an amped folder. I've already got this because I've bought a few. I won't worry about desktop shortcuts. So I'm using xfce on Devuan 5. Awesome little distro. Works really good. And so yeah, once you've installed it, go to your Wine folder directory into Drive C. So it puts it in your program files. You'll see the ML Sound Lab folder, amped, and this is where we get. This is all the ones I've already got, but we'll just open up the flagship version. And there we go. So you'll need to do a few things for your sound settings. There's one thing, Mikko. We got to get 128-bit for the latency. That'd be really, really good. It only goes down to the 256 in the standalone. If you're using it in your DAW, it doesn't matter. It just goes off whatever you're doing. But I found in this audio device, if you just use the Windows low latency, so this is just for the standalone plugin, not when you're using it in your DAW, and then just match it to the settings you've got with your interface. So yeah, you'll see it only goes up to 240, down to 240. Mikko, we've got to get 128. That would be fantastic for your great plugins. So anyway, I'll just connect the sound up. So I'm using jack. I've got a little custom jack set up where it displays everything. You can connect non-native jack programs and stuff to it. So I'll just plug it into the simple sound recorder so you can hear it. So we get a bit of noise. And then I'll just connect in the USB interface into the plugin. We'll turn the mute off. Just check the settings there. And we should have some sound. There we go. Now you get the annoyance. You get the annoyance. Cuts out. Yeah. So if you want to buy the license, you just copy the request key and go back to the website and put it in to buy. So here's one I bought. Amp, really good value. You get one with no annoyance free version on this one. But I mean, you get 4 amps with this for the price of one. So you got your 5150. There's a Mesa and a Friedman as well. These ones he did with Fluff, the first ones he did. This is the free version. Won't get any annoyance on that. But yeah, they're all pretty good. And all the the pedal board, the cab. You can move the mics, your tuner. I didn't show all that, but that all works as well. You just click on them tabs, and yeah. So when you pay for it, or you're using the free Roots one, it all works without the annoyance. So pretty good value. Yeah, really happy with Mikko's plugins. They're great. So all the amp ones work pretty good. I play drums as well, and I tried his drum ones, and not so much luck using Wine with the graphical interface. You could get it going if you really want, but yeah, we got to get a Linux version. I know there's no money in it, Mikko, but you know, being an industry leader, I'm sure it'll pay off for all the penguins out there. So yeah, using it in your DAW works fine. You don't have to worry about any of them audio settings. Just have your interface set up. There's another one I bought, Volcano. It's a really good amp too. It gives you a lot of different amp settings. Its presets are pretty good. You can always tweak them. Got a bit of chorus going on. And we'll just try one more version of the Volcano. Just a preset. Yeah, now we're rocking. That's just out of the box using Wine. Thanks.